Hey guys, Barry Potts here with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. Today we will be showcasing 2024 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. Let's check it out. Standing on the submersible swim platform here, we got an awesome grill setup, plenty of storage on each side. The 50 is nice because it's actually hydraulic lift here, so it's really easy to get to your fenders and larger items. You're not confined to just the small hatches on each side. Let's take a look at the cockpit. In the cockpit of the 50 Cantius, we have the sand ultra leather upholstery. We have the optional ice maker in the cockpit, and we also have a port side docking station here. The sunshade gives really good shade to the hot parts of the day, or retract it for more sun. Freshwater showers for when you get out of the submersible swim platform. And finally, moving forward to the salon, we have power retractable bar here, window, and accordion style doors. In the aft part of the salon here, we have a top-bottom refrigerator freezer, nice TV, and in our smart galley here, we have microwave, Kenyan cooktop, freshwater sink. The salon here has the sea stone gray interior, flip down light walnut table, and at the helm, full array of Garmin screens and electronics. Seakeeper gyro stabilizer, and you also have your Volvo Penta joystick here for ease of docking. Really a great setup. Starboard side stateroom here has a top-bottom bunk bed layout. It also has a television and access to all your control panels. The VIP stateroom of the 50 Cantius has a really nice queen-style bed, natural lighting, port and starboard, and above. It also has access to the day head here. Below deck in the master stateroom, you're immediately going to notice two huge windows to port and starboard, allowing a lot of natural light. Also, it's the headroom. I'm 6'2", and I could stand up everywhere inside the master stateroom. Another really convenient feature here is the combo washer dryer. And the master stateroom comes equipped with his own private head. Finishing up on the bow here, we're going to look at his and her loungers in the sand upholstery, pop-up backrest, nice table in between. It's also convenient storage for your sunshade poles. 2 forward, 2 back will give you a really nice canopy on those really hot days. Finishing up here on the 50 Cantius, my name is Barry Potts at MarineMax Brick. See you on the water.